I'll play it with you.
I'll play that too.
Do it then,
I will, damn it.
Motherfucker. Skip your ass.
Skip me, boo.
Skip you then.
Skip me, boo.
Drop that shit.
I dropped that too. But now,
You know I play it too.
Yeah, go ahead, play it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go.
See the colors of the
Go, Negro.
This is an intense Uno tournament.
Go, Negro. You recording this?
Go.
No, go ahead. Ratchet Uno in his own habitat.
I'm ready, go. I'm ready.
Fuck. Go, keep playing.
Keep playing. I keep playing.
These are the ratchets.
Nigga, I keep playing.
Watching one ratchet attach the other ratchet.
Go.
Oh, you done? Alright, shit, okay.
In their natural
I
habitat.
talk that shit.
Pull and play.
Yeah, pull and play. Gonna lose.
Back up, one may bite my arm.
Okay, I'll hold fuck up. Oh, yeah, there you go. Boom. Yeah.
Get that shit that way, then.
Okay, get that shit that way.
Go read then.
Huh, I go fucking red, nigga.
Alright, pull and play.
Pull and play your ass. Verse back to me again. I take that card, but either way, draw your fucking two.
Motherfucker, you draw 4.
Draw 6.
Then draw 8.
Uno out. It's all love, piece of chicken grease, bro.
Hey, don't think about it. She whooped your ass on camera.
Wait, hold on. Don't you supposed to grab some shit, bro?
No.
I need that shit.
Don't you supposed to grab some shit? Hey, don't you supposed to grab some shit? When she had thought her black ass was out, and she trying to make me pull that shit, don't she supposed to grab that shit? Don't she supposed to pick it up? No, you want to pay me. When she threw this out, don't she supposed to pull that shit up when I throw that out?
No.
What the fuck? So I can't throw it back in like that?
No. If she got it, she got it.
She got it.
She ain't got to draw nothing if she got it. Like, you know how if you trying to make somebody draw.
So y'all been doing that to me all day? Been cheating me?
No, that ain't cheating.
No, I've been
maybe
cheating.
If you got
I've
to
been
draw
cheating.
something, you could throw it down. You know how if you was trying to draw something, I mean throw it.
Take a close look at the winner, people. YouTube, Instagram, Vine, whatever you put that on here. It's me, the best Uno player ever. Whooped his sorry bullet.
When he thought he was out?
He thought he was out. We threw him back in. Remember?
That's what I'm saying. Why can't I throw her back in?
Did you throw it?
Cause you suck.
I threw this out.
When?
She threw this. I threw that shit. She thought I'm gonna pick all this shit up.
Oh.
Hey, so don't she supposed to pick that shit up? Don't she supposed to pick it up?
You neutral, babe.
Alright then.
Babe, you neutral.
Alright then. See, so who lying? Pick that shit up. Game ain't over.
Yeah, I'll pick it up, but you ain't call Uno either, so pick up your two.
Alright then.
I will.
Fuck this shit, play me.
How many cards I got me? 2, 4, 6, 8.
Mm-hmm.
8, 12, 14. I did that fucking 14. Shit, your ass still gonna get beat though.
Fuck that shit.
What up, Julius? What's up, bruh?
I'm neutral, man.
Y'all trying to let her go down on me, man. Y'all want me to
I ain't see that.
Y'all, I'm finna say,
I piss her off. She get hard to get on me. What's wrong with you?
Oh, yeah.
Stick
Put
it.
the play,
What's wrong with
boo.
you?
Draw your fucking phone.
Oh my.
Draw your phone, boo. It's all love, piece of chicken grease, and no pull and play. Blue. Reverse back to me. Skip you. Yeah. I did that shit. What am I doing now? Let's see. Go. I should have did that.
You know what? Fuck this shit. I go with this thing.
I'll go with it then, but you ain't got to trust. Go. Yep. What should I do now? What should I do? Do that. See how I went for 14 cards? See how I went from 14 to 4, y'all? Are you done? Go. Take that. I'll take that. Go ahead.
Skip a little black game.
Yeah. Skip it.
And should I do this shit?
Should you?
Shit, I don't give a fuck. I'm saying pull and play this shit. Fucking right, though. I mean, you ain't got no.
Ooh.
Pull and play. Alright then.
Ooh. Red.
Shoot this shit back to me. Alright then, let's see. Fuck, pull and play. Alright.
You say uno, no uno out, so draw your 4 plus your other 10. 14 cards, boo. 14 cards, boo. Go ahead.
This uno, I think that's a you, bro.
14 cards, boo. I'll do it for you, baby. Shut up, 14.
Don't keep your little hand giving me that junky ass shit.
You think?
Fuck, give me all the ugly ass call.
Get you, Quit trying to shuffle cards. Nah, you get the cards shuffled. Cause he just wasting time because you're scared. You don't want to get them 14 cards. Get the 14 cards. Get the 14 cards. It's your fault you ain't say uno, uno, eight. Could have just said 10.
Aren't you supposed to be drawing from that shit?
Yes. He over here trying to cheat. You give out cards, then she shuffle them. So you wasting time. Get your 14.
Okay.
Nah, shit. Hell no. He supposed to do that. Get him, Naya. Get him, Naya. Get the cards, Naya. Get the cards, Naya. Get the cards, Naya.
I'm gonna have a good night. You ain't fucking up my night tonight, one.
Get the cards, Naya.
Shit playing.
Shut the hell up and give Naya the cards. And go. Shit, I'm hungry.
What's the next thing I was getting?
14.
She hungry.
Shit, yeah, I'm hungry.
See that? That's how they used to be.
We going bowling, we finna eat.
See that? That's how y'all used to be.
No pull the play. Red. Oh no. Watch it. I'll watch it.
Never go in the
I'll watch it. I'll watch it. Nigga. Look like the fucking rainbow, don't it?
How you see without your glasses?
Shut up. Boom. It's color red.
Oh, fuck. I didn't see that.
Get it right. You need your glasses.
You know what?
You wear glasses?
You know, when I can't really see.
Okay. All right.
You don't got no yellow, no. Just keep it with duck ass.
Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. What you got? 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 Huh. Uno.
Long as damn Uno. It's intense too. 4 people got shot.
Give me that shit green.
Uno.
I'm back to your little duck ass, right? Okay, then.
Uno.
Fuck.
Uno out. What? Hold up. Let me go. I gotta go to the light. I gotta go to the camera. Okay, now I won the first time. He wanted to go back, so he just got his ass beat again for more than 14 cards. But you know what? It's all love, peace, and chicken grease.
Y'all know what?
Give me now.
I'm still a motherfucking shit I do. You feel me?
And send me that video.
And it's still what the sad part about it
Tag me when you
is
put it on Facebook.
that they call so much shit.
Ain't it right?
Uno out.
Wait a minute, I can't put that on Facebook.
Right.
Wait, don't tag me in it.
Twice.
I can't put that on Facebook.
Betty, yeah, let's put my glasses in so I can look at you.
Don't do not tag me.
Look at you clearly. Look at you
Put on
clearly.
Instagram.
Because guess what? You got your ass beat by the champ.
Guess what?
Boom.
What? Ha.
You got your ass beat by the champ.
Not licking and shit. I can't. Okay. How you
You
win?
got
your ass
My mouth water and shit. I can't even. How you win? Calling all that bullshit ass
You
stuff.
got your ass
Uno
by the
out and
champ.
shit.
Fair and square.
Uno all that fucking
Fair
shit.
and
I could have
square.
whooped her and all this.
Fair square.
Then keep making me drop my 2 spank ass calls.
I won. What's
What is
John?
going on?
I won. What's Julius? My dog. High five. Because he just got me.
Slip it right here.
Guess what though? Guess what? No, guess what though? Ain't nobody else to fuck with me in this
Oh,
shit.
you want to be a sore loser? Naya.
Ain't nobody else fuck with you in this
High
shit?
five. Yes.
You mean no other female?
Now it's either you be, it's either you be a fair
Oh, no, you talking about fucking with Uno.
He say he love me.
Man, whatever.
Or
Don't
you
say
go
that.
your way. What you want to do? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Unless you're gonna be a sore loser.
Peace and love, man. Peace and love.
Don't fuck up when you gotta sleep, bro.
Love you.
I'm trying to tell you, man. You keep on playing.
Okay,
It'll be
we
a
do.
cold night.